My name is Lindsey Ciarrocca, and I am a YNAB Certified Coach and a Certified Money Coach, and my goal is to help you learn to love budgeting, especially using YNAB, and then also create a more positive relationship with your money by diving into some of that deeper work. So, I have a quick question I'm going to answer for you today. The question I get a lot is, I want to start my budget on the first of the month. How do I start my budget on the first of the month? And the answer is, you don't. Start from whatever day you're starting with. If you're starting today, which is December 30th, start with today. Start with whatever money is in your bank account right now. If that's $50, if that's $500, or if that's $5,000, it doesn't matter. The biggest thing to know about YNAB is the system does not care when you get paid. The system cares about what money you have in your bank account right now. Again, $50, $5,000, doesn't matter. So you can start your budget on any day of the month, any day of the week, does not matter. I just encourage you to get started. Okay, so that is my biggest quick tip for today. I would love to invite you to my world to hit like and subscribe if this has been helpful for you, and I'd also love to see you inside my community on School. I will leave that link in the description for you below. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you next time.